What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22? The way you talk to yourself matters way more than I ever thought. Fix these habits early and your confidence will soar. Habit 1. Saying sorry all the time, even when you're not wrong. It makes you seem less sure of yourself. Try saying thank you for waiting instead of sorry I'm late. Habit 2. Putting yourself down, even as a joke. People start to believe what you say about yourself, so lift yourself up. Habit 3. Never speaking up. Your ideas matter. If you stay quiet, people might think you have nothing to add. The fix? Practice positive self-talk, own your achievements, and speak with confidence, even if you have to fake it at first. Remember, the way you treat yourself teaches others how to treat you. Change your habits, and you'll see your value shine.